Morning guys, we are here today on the Herman Gulch trail. Today we're going to be going for Herman Lake and Pettingell Peak. We are approximately 1.5 miles into the trail. We started with headlamps, hiked in headlamps for about 45 minutes and stopped and took a couple sunrise photos. Due to the proximity of Denver and being right off I-70, a few miles east of the Eisenhower Tunnel, this is a very popular trail and a great hike that's close to Denver. We've hiked this trail before, but didn't make it very far last winter. Didn't bring snowshoes and only made it about 1.5 miles into the trail. I don't think that's gonna happen today though. We're looking at about 8-9 miles round trip today, 3,000 feet of elevation gain, and we're gonna try and make it back to Denver for the 2 o'clock football games. So without further ado, we're gonna quit pansying around and we're gonna get to it. All right, just a few miles in and a few hours, we are here at Herman Lake. Let's go check it out. All right, so we're on the northeast side of Herman Lake. Here's the gully that you want to go up, or that's where we're going anyway. We're gonna try and stay close to the tundra and then work our way up to the summit. Let's get it. Right, straight ahead, looking up at the ridge to get up here and then up to the summit. right, we are getting close to the summit. Lots of class 2 scrambling once you get past the ridge, but we're almost there. Very pretty views up here. Woo! Look at them views, guys. All right, we're here at the summit of Pettingell Peak, 13,465 feet. Little wind shelter right here. One of the coolest cairns I've seen on top of a summit. Pretty cool summit. Tougher than I thought it would be to get up here, but we made it. We've been up here for about 10-15 minutes. Panoramic views in every direction. It's time to get off this summit. So we're gonna time warp back to the trailhead. All right, we are back here at the Herman Gulch Trailhead. Total hiking distance, I clocked in 9.4 miles. Emily clocked in 8.9, 8.8. Whose is right? I don't know, who cares? That's just to give you an idea of how far the hike was. So let's just say 9 miles, 3,400 feet of elevation gain. Very nice hike. It gets pretty popular here, even in mid-October. Very cool little 13er. Once you get past Herman Lake, you'll have the trail to yourself. But hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you like the content I make, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. But until the next hike, Dave Spates, hiking adventure photography.